Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing another dupes video today. All April long we do dupes videos. It is a series that I started way back when. April Fools, April dupes. I thought it was cute, so now I just do it every April. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I like a good dupe mainly because I like to know what's on the market. A lot of people need alternatives for different reasons, whether it be a brand reason, a price reason, an ingredient reason, an application and wear reason. I think that it's just good to know what is available in terms of high-end as well as drugstore and how they compare to each other. If you're unfamiliar of what a dupe is, it's essentially taking a high-end product and putting it against a similar or the same drugstore, not low-end, but like drugstore product, and putting them head-to-head to see how they work in terms of price, application, branding, all that jazz. So that's what we're about to do today. Today's dupe is the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows against the Makeup Revolution Eye Chrome Matte and Metal Liquid Eyeshadows. We are going to see how these two face off together. I also, just note, I purchase all of these products on my own with my own money. None of these videos are sponsored. However, today, this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Liquid Melted Eyeshadow, I did receive in a BoxyCharm a little while ago, but I pay for my BoxyCharm, so I still paid for the product. So we're putting these head to head. I've used the melted eyeshadows from Huda Beauty before. I have not used the Makeup Revolution. However, I also have read the reviews of the Makeup Revolution's Eye Chrome, and a lot of reviews are saying that they are not a dupe for Huda Beauty's melted eyeshadows, so I'm going to see how these two face off together. The colors that I got are bright. The Huda Beauty that I owned was the Silk Bomber and Bubblegum, which is a purple matte and a fuchsia toned duo glitter. So since I had this shade, I thought I would get the most similar shade in the eye chrome to put them off against each other. And the shade that I have is Desire, which is this like hot pink shade. So let's get into what these products are about. We will start with the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows. This is $25. You can find it at Sephora, in-store, online, or I believe Huda Beauty online. It comes in 15 shades. There is a good mix of bright colors as well as neutrals. They have like red, yellow, teal, pink, purple. Then they also have your like creams and nudes and coppers and warm toned browns and things like that. This shade that I have today is Silk Bomber and Bubblegum. It's a purple matte and a duochrome fuchsia. Let me swatch it for you. So this is the Huda Beauty Silk Bomber and Bubblegum. The shimmer is actually quite pale. You can't really see it all that well on the camera. However, this purple, very pigmented, very creamy. The applicators for this product are, please do not mind my manicure, are a doe foot and a brush applicator. The doe foot is for the matte and the brush applicator is for the metal or shimmer glitter eyeshadow. Moving on to the Makeup Revolution Eye Chrome. This retails for $5 on Ulta's website. However, if you went to Makeup Revolution site, it went for like $6 or $6.99 euros, I believe, which I'm not sure what that translates into in US dollars, but at Ulta it was $5. It comes in 5 shades: red, white, pink, cool toned nude or rose gold, and warm brown and copper. This is the shade Desire. I could not find this on the Makeup Revolution US site, but I could find it on the UK site, and I found it at Ulta. They do have another product called the Eye Glisten, and that is a similar tube, but it has a shimmer and a glitter instead of a matte and a shimmer. And that retails for $10. I'm going to swatch these for you. Alright, so here is the Makeup Revolution. This is the shimmer, this is the matte. The shimmer is much, much more pigmented than our Huda Beauty bubblegum shade, and then our matte is actually a lot more of a liquid loose texture. However, still very pigmented. Again, not the closest shade match because Huda Beauty has a lot more range of shades, but it will do for right now or for today. The applicators for the eye chrome are both doe foot applicators, which I don't know, that's not my most favorite application method for like an eyeshadow, but that's okay. We're going to apply these side by side to see how they perform. We're going to do the eye chrome on this side and the Huda Beauty on this side. We are going to do one eye at a time because I have used the Huda Beauty matte and metal eyeshadows before, and when you apply the matte eyeshadow, it sets quickly. So we are going to be doing one eye at a time just so that we can work with the product as it's pliable, so that we can kind of get the best look that we can out of it. So before we actually use it, let me tell you what Sephora says for the usage or suggested usage for the Huda Beauty matte and metal melted eyeshadows. For the matte side, it says apply product on center of lid, then blend out with finger or brush to work on the edges and blend into crease. Can be used as a liner either by using edge of doe foot or swiping on the back of your hand and picking up with a liner brush. Can be used with powder shadows layered on top. The metal side, use paintbrush-like applicator to apply as a glitter eyeliner or all over lid to deliver optimal pigment. For a shimmer effect, blend the formula with a brush or finger to diffuse glitters. Use as a glitter topper over matte formula or any other powder eyeshadow. Create a shimmery cut crease or highlight the inner corner of the eyes using the applicators. As I put this on and create a little bit of an eye look, let me tell you what Sephora says about this. It says, what is it? A dual-ended liquid eyeshadow combining a velvety matte formula on one side and a highly reflective metallic on the other. What else you need to know? The innovative Huda Beauty matte and metal liquid shadows bring versatile color and finish combinations to create must-have looks in one swipe. The matte shadows are highly pigmented and easy to blend, while the metallic shadows allow for a precise application with the paintbrush-like applicator. So we are going to apply this and blend it out with a brush and then put some glitter on top of it to create our eye look today. Okay, so this is what we came out with on the Huda Beauty side. It does create a nice, lovely look. I'm not disappointed with the colors or the actual look itself. However, the matte shadows are a little difficult to blend out with a brush. It's not my favorite texture or consistency, especially because you can see like over here, well, I can see, I don't know if you can, it did not blend out as easily over here on the edge of my eye. And also, whenever I applied the metallic part or metal side of this and then blended it out with my finger, I feel like it picked up like almost too much of the product, if that makes sense. So maybe we'll go in with like a second coat to kind of like really bring that out. Now we're going to move on to the Makeup Revolution side of things. And for the Makeup Revolution side of things, they have no instructions. They just send you out into the world willy-nilly, or at least they don't have any on Ulta.com. So while I'm applying this similarly to how I applied the Huda Beauty, let me talk about what Ulta's website has to say about it. It says, go hard or go chrome. The Revolution Eye Chrome Collection offers up on-the-go intense eye pigments. The travel-friendly tube features super soft and flexible flocked wands for each application and 2 complementary liquid eyeshadows for stunning matte or metallic eye looks. Create a statement matte base with the matte end, ideal worn alone or as a base for your favorite eyeshadows. For an easy day to night look, flip the tube and swipe on the mess-free chrome gel. No glue required. It can be layered over the matte eyeshadow or applied just along the lash line for a chrome liner effect. Cruelty-free. Alright, so that is a color. It's very bright. I actually don't hate it. I really like wearing, obviously, if you've been here for a moment, I really like wearing bright eyeshadows. However, this looked like a little too bright, but once I got it on the eye, I really like it. And I also think that like pink eyeshadow sometimes is really hard to get. But I actually really like the color. I will say I'm a little disappointed with like the metallic side of this, or like the metal side of this, because if you like look side by side, the Huda Beauty is obviously way more metal. Even though like me blending it out with my finger took a lot off of it, like I can barely see the shimmer side of the Makeup Revolution side. Like I can barely tell that it's even there. Also, the Makeup Revolution side is creasing a little bit already. Like I've only blinked 3 times and I'm already noticing a bit of creasing. However, I will say that because the matte side of the Makeup Revolution had a little bit more of a loose texture, or is like a little bit more liquid or wet, it was a little bit easier to blend out, and it doesn't have like such harsh lines like the Huda Beauty side does. But overall, I think I like the look of the Huda Beauty side more, but I like the blend of the Makeup Revolution side more. I'm going to go and finish my eyes real quick with some like liner and lashes and mascara, and then we will be back for some final thoughts on the differences and if these are actually a dupe or not, because I don't know, I'm not feeling it right now. Alright, so let me finish and then I'll be right back. Applied some liner, mascara, lashes, did a little bit of white liner on the bottom, on like the outside. I don't know how I feel about that. I tried a thing. Let's move on. So $25 versus $5 or $10. I think it depends on where you buy it. So anywhere from like a $20 to $15 savings between these two. After using them, they're not very similar, like at all. They are similar in theory on paper, and like yes, their products are similar. However, the wear and the application, very different. The consistencies are also very different. Not to mention the shade range is different. The Huda Beauty offers a lot more of like a metal, shimmer, sparkle, but the matte dries down so unbelievably quick that it is hard to blend out, and I don't know. I don't think it looks all that great. The Makeup Revolution one, it's a little bit more of a loose liquid consistency, so I think it blends out so much nicer. However, you're not really getting a shimmer. Like you can barely even tell that there is a shimmer on top of the matte formula. And I understand it's because like on the Makeup Revolution, the colors of the shimmer and the matte are like almost exactly the same. And they're not like complementary like the Huda Beauty are, but you can't even see the shimmer. Like if I'm getting a product that says matte and metal, I'm expecting one side to be matte and the other side to be metal. This ain't metal. So I don't think that there is a dupe here. If you're looking for a nice liquid eyeshadow for like an everyday situation, because I also don't think that these are really great for like bright colors, but if you wear like the same cool toned warm, brown coppery tones, like warm brown, vanilla, sugar sort of situation, if you wear those every single day, I'm probably going to recommend the Huda Beauty one, only because I think that it will last you a little bit longer wear-wise, because I'm already having some like creasing and some like not so great things on the Makeup Revolution side. I keep looking into my monitor to like see. But yeah, I would buy these more in like neutral everyday colors rather than like bright, you know, those types of colors. I've used the Huda Beauty with other powder like eyeshadows before. I don't think it particularly performed all that great with other products. I have not used the Makeup Revolution side with other eyeshadows, so I really couldn't tell you how well it plays with others. But yeah, I think my ultimate say on this would probably be go with the Huda Beauty, skip the Makeup Revolution. But if you're tight on pennies, just know that you're not really getting any shimmer with the shimmer shade, which is why I think they're phasing out the metal or the matte and metal Makeup Revolution ones, and they're going more to like the glisten, the eye glisten with the shimmer and the glitter. So that's my thoughts, that's my recommendations. They both created beautiful eye looks though. I would not, like, I'm not disappointed in either of these products. They're just not really a dupe for each other if you're looking for like a cost-effective alternative to the Huda Beauty. It's not the Makeup Revolution, that's for sure. I will link both of these products down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time if you're interested. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Do you use the Huda Beauty matte and metal melted eyeshadows? Do you have tips and tricks on how to make it look amazing? Because I don't think this blend job is it. Have you used the Makeup Revolution side? Which one do you like better? Let's start a conversation. Let me know down in the comment section. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.